guys, welcome back to Candy Wars. Today I'm here with
Isa!
Hashtag Penny. Isa, explain what we're gonna do today and why are we dressed like penguins?
We are gonna be buying a penguin.
Or I am, technically.
Yeah, because I don't have that much robux left.
Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be buying the penguin. So
Yeah,
technically,
follow me.
so
Yes.
don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification because I'm gonna waste all my robux.
Yes.
Okay, get on me.
And follow me.
Get on me. So technically, to buy a penguin is robux. It's 218, I believe.
Yeah, no, it's like not robux, but the goldfish is robux.
And then how much is a penguin?
A penguin, you just have to feed it.
What do you mean feed it? Yeah, but the food is robux.
Yes.
So yeah, it's technically a penguin. Is there a gold penguin left?
Yeah.
Oh, guys, that's the one we're gonna buy.
We're gonna buy the gold penguin. It's legendary. And guys,
Okay, we're gonna buy it.
you need to see this because yesterday I bought this griffin and it meant a lot to me. So
Oh,
now I
gosh.
have 7 robux.
Ooh. Ooh.
Griff, come on.
Guys, I bought it! Oh my gosh! I bought it!
Feed it.
I bought it! I wanna feed you!
Did you feed it?
I feed it? Is it mine? Are you mine? No! I didn't get the gold one.
But you still at least got the good one.
Okay, fine. I got the good one. Wait, can I get another one? Can I get another?
No,
You need to buy it again. I need a penguin. Guys, I got my dream penguin. Yes.
wait, where are you? No, I see you. Oh my god! Can I have it?
No, I'm gonna name it Frosty.
Wait, can I have the dragon at least?
Why? No.
Because I'll trade you my griffin.
Guys, look, and one day I'm gonna make this neon. No, stop.
Yes.
Isa, stop. Well, guys,
Girl, come on, accept it.
I want another one. Later, I might make a part 2 in 1 year.
Excuse me? Accept my trade request. I want to give you something.
No.
Yes, I'm not going to trade it. I promise.
Hold on. Hold on, let's
You're
just...
sleeping now.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 soon. By myself, because Isa has to go.
Yeah,
I'm gonna make a whole penguin
I
kingdom.
have to go to a party, guys, so I'm making this quick.
Yeah.
And loud.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna... So you see my house is over there? I'm gonna make a
Yes,
penguin kingdom.
Yeah, I don't see ya. Where are ya? I'm teleporting
I'm
ya.
gonna make a little kingdom for Frosty.
Teleport.
And later, I'm gonna buy a...
I'm teleporting to you. There's a new penguin update, guys, so if you have... Okay, bye.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, yeah. Isa had to go. So, she said bye, because she had to go. Okay, let's take Pink Frosty with us. Okay, I'm gonna buy a new house for Frosty. Are we ready? Okay. What house should I buy? And you. I'm trying to what about the tree house? What about the pizza? I don't know. Okay guys, I'll come back when I have something done. Guys, look! Yay! I got a house for Frosty! Okay, Frosty, let's look at your new house. Oh no, we don't want this wallpaper. Let's do... Yes, this one. Hi. Floors, we need to make it nice and cozy for the penguin. So let's put it ice. Beautiful. Yeah, there's a free thing. If you want to see the Penguin Kingdom, you have to pay. Yeah. let's delete all of this stuff. There we go. Okay. Oh no, there's a pizza. Okay, let's see what we can get. Hyper aka emoji, can I trade? Yeah. No, not yet. Don't trust her. Okay, let's get the wallpaper for Frosty in the kitchen. Beautiful. Frosty needs to sleep. Okay, can you change the color? I need this. Yes, beautiful. I want this. Oh, we can't color this. Come on, no colors. Can I color this? Okay. Well, let me. Okay, I'm actually gonna erase this because I don't think we need that. Yeah, so guys, I'll come back when I have more stuff done. Okay guys, so this is gonna be the kitchen. I'm gonna put like some posters here and then a little table so we can eat. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put this. Yeah. Let's paint this white. Beautiful. Oh, no, I don't want to paint it. Okay. There we go. In the middle. Beautiful. Now, okay, Isa's gonna take Frosty for a walk. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Here's like this little seating area. Yeah. Let's go upstairs. Ooh, you need it. Oh, okay. So this is gonna. Ooh, that's fancy. That's fancy. So this is gonna be the bathroom, and this is gonna be Frosty's room. Let's paint Frosty's room. Let's put the floor white because it's snow. Let's delete all of this. There we go. Okay guys, I'll come back when Frosty's room is almost completed. Well guys, this is how the room came out. I'm gonna write Okay guys, I'll come back when I'm done writing. I hope you enjoyed of me wasting my Robux. So hello penguins, don't forget to like, subscribe for more penguin fun. Bye guys, you're the best. Yes, you guys are the best. By the way, I did put a tub for the penguin because the penguin needs to be clean. It's cold water. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you won't miss any of our videos. Bye. Let me write bye. Oh, let me put Frosty in this. Okay, bye. We're the animal squad. Bye.